Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia. Today is the first of my two-part Super Bowl special. I will be making baked firecracker chicken wings. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients that I will be using: minced garlic, chopped scallion, cayenne pepper, black pepper, ground ginger, salt, white pepper, garlic powder, honey, hot sauce, apple cider vinegar, cornstarch, crushed red pepper flakes, soy sauce, and sweet chili sauce. And of course, the chicken wings. I have washed them in lemon juice and rinsed them several times. This is the next thing we do with the chicken wings. I've mixed all the dry ingredients in this cup here. We add it to the chicken wings. Then we massage it through, all the seasoning through the chicken wings. Okay, that should be good enough. I have here a baking sheet pan with a rack, and we're going to spray some cooking oil on the rack. So the chicken wing doesn't stick to it. Now this is the next step. We put the wings on the rack. And we preheat the oven to 400 degrees. They're going to bake in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes. I've just taken the wings out of the oven, and this is the next step, what we do. We take the wings and we add it to this bowl. Now that I've taken the wings off the rack, this is what the next step is. This is the sauce that I made for the ingredients that I told you earlier. And I have crushed garlic. We add that to the sauce. And we mix that up together. Now, all the ingredients on how to make the sauce and the dry rub will be in the description box below. Now that the wings are in the bowl and the sauce is mixed, let's add it to the wings. And then this is what we do. We toss them in the sauce. I think it'd be better if I use a spoon. And make sure all of them get coated. Then after we done coat the wings, we add them back to the tray and put them in the oven for another 10 minutes. There. I think they have coated totally. I've taken them out the oven. This was cooking for the second time. Now we're going to toss it again in more of the sauce. Then we're going to put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. And then we will take them out and serve them up. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm going to put them back on the rack. I've plated up the baked Firecracker Chicken Wings. And now this is the scallions chopped up from earlier. We sprinkle this over the top of the wings as a garnish. Okay, take a look. Here you have it, baked Firecracker Chicken Wings. So you can serve to your guests on Super Bowl Sunday. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.